بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 1. Be on letters. Let's start with the prayer. Rabbi zidni ilma, which means, Oh Allah, increase me in knowledge. Make sure to read the Arabic letters just like I do, and inshallah you will learn the right way to read Arabic. We have already learned alif, the 3 boat-shaped letters, ba, da, tha, and the 3 fat friends, jim, ha, ha. Today, we're going to take 3 pairs of identical twins, del, zel, ra, za, sin, sheen. You surely have seen a dancing dolphin. Well, this dolphin is dead. So, let's repeat it 3 times. Del, del, del. And its twin is then. It just has a dot on top of it. Let's repeat it 3 times. Then, then, then. You surely have seen a rhino. Rhino carries Ra on its head. Ra. Don't say Ra like English Ra. Say it like low frequency, like Mexican Ra. Let's repeat it 3 times. Ra, ra, ra. And its twin with a dot above it, ze. Let's repeat it 3 times. Ze, ze, ze. You have surely seen a hissing snake. Well, this hissing snake becomes seen. Let's repeat it 3 times. Seen, seen, seen. Now the snake is taking a shower. This is sheen. It has 3 dots above it. Let's repeat it 3 times. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Now let's repeat all of these 3 pairs 3 times. Del, zel, ra, ze, sin, sheen. Del, zel, ra, ze, sin, sheen. Del, zel, ra, ze, sin, sheen. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate the Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.